The All Jaintia Midday Meal Worker Union Joai today began their indefinite sit-in demonstration near the office of the Meghalaya Board of School Education at Lower Lachumia in protest against government failure to increase the honorarium, which is presently at Rs 1,000 per month. The members of the union had initially assembled at the parking lot of the additional secretariat, but the district administrator later shifted them to the premises of the board office. Talking to the reporters, Laskin Block Unit President Fiulis Singkon said that the honorarium of Rs 1,000 per month is too small considering the number of hours that the midday meal workers have to work to prepare the food for the children. At present, the workers receive Rs 900 from the central government and Rs 100 from the state government, which is a total of Rs 1,000 per month.
Yo bainam kumbashi hajar si banai nabaro banna sarkar makhalaya ka ayangi kumbashi spa si banai mentanya di manfaat kandai spa bangin yo nak sarkar makhalaya si hajar tengka bannak sentral ka ayangi miswa kandai spa tengka mentanya di manfaat lai hajar si spa tengka banlang sahaja nak sentral mentanya nak sarkar makhalaya si hajar nak sentral lai hajar banyak lah jasi spa dengan long katotal kan long bero dengan yo san aja tangi dina.
Workers of the